Mike here from Russo Trading Company, part of the product development team. I'm here to talk to you about the Block Microfiber Pro double-sided microfiber sponge. First of all, due to manufacturing and because of the microfiber being so fine, there will be some fuzzies on some of these. All you have to do is take it, rinse it in a separate bucket of water, and you're ready to go. Okay, the difference between this microfiber sponge and others is this is a unique microfiber with a sponge that is designed not to hold water. So when you rinse out your sponge, it rinses out just down to damp. So this is the Block Microfiber Pro. After stirring the urethane grout, we'll get started. Granted, this is just a small sampling, but it should show the process fairly simply. Okay, as you normally would do, you would emulsify the grout to clean some of the excess off the top after squeegeeing. So what we're going to do here is just lightly hit this. Now the whole idea of this process that I'm showing you today is to show you the fact that you can finish cleaning your tile immediately and not have to go back into the room. Now that that's emulsified, we'll just take our regular sponge, wipe it off like we normally would, but instead of having to come back and wash it again, we're going to do it immediately. Again, the Russo Block Microfiber Pro. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use a clean bucket of water, not the bucket we use for our initial clean. And we're just going to take this and put a little firm pressure on it, and we can turn around and wipe the whole area down, keeping it flat without pulling out any of the grout. Now the other unique thing about this sponge is that if there is anything still on the tile, you'll see it on the sponge. Slightly anything there. Now if you notice, I'm not rinsing it and flipping it every single time. Clean. Okay, some single component grouts with the urethanes and the chemicals in them may bleed some of the red from the dye in the microfiber, but those types of grout are color fast and it won't change the color of the grout. It has been tested and proven accordingly by labs from some of the manufacturers of the single component grouts. So this is the same board after just 30 minutes. No haze. I will be doing this today with some standard grout to show you that it works not only with single component grouts, but also standard grouts. The idea is that you can do your finish cleaning at the same time as you do your regular cleaning, so that you don't have to come back to the room twice. as you normally would. Let that sit for a few minutes and come back. Tool your grout joints, do your initial wash. Try to minimize the amount of water. As the normal cleaning process. As you can see, to get several swipes in and rinse several times. Whereas, using the Block Microfiber Pro, you're clean right away and your joints are full. I recommend using a separate bucket for the finish clean. There you go.